I have said for the last 3 weeks or so, maybe longer, that I have been seeing, I've been pointing these out to you as I have seen them, there are rays of optimism in the economy, not in the markets, not in particular stocks. I'm not looking at that when I'm looking for optimism. It doesn't matter. If things fundamentally begin to change in the underlying fundamentals of the economy, and somehow, way, shape, or form, we can begin to see real organic growth coming out of the economy, not false positives coming out of the markets, but real organic growth. And I am seeing rays of optimism of that. I'm seeing rays of hope for that. I am not saying there are still a lot of dark clouds on the horizon, certainly. But the difference is there are some of the clouds seem to be breaking up a little bit to the point where you can almost see a little blue sky behind them, and things aren't quite as bleak. I would say that there are far more dark clouds on the horizon than there are blue skies on the horizon, for sure. But nonetheless, we need to be, so because of that, we need to remain cautious. And if there is optimism beginning to creep in to my data, I can't speak about everybody else's data, but coming into my data, then we have to be cautiously optimistic about that. But optimism is good, whether you're cautious about it or not. But we've got to be realistic. We got to be truthful. And we've got to be honest about what we are seeing in the real economy. And there's some of the things that we are looking at.